Alright, that's my computer. Yeah, I'm not gonna learn about that in this video. Alright, just gonna show you like the outside because it snowed a lot last night, like 10 inches. And I'm gonna show you it, and trust me, it's really bad. It may not look bad from this angle, but from my angle, it's really, really bad. 10 inches probably on the ground right now. Okay, this is my backyard. See cars passing by. I'm going to show you how much of it snows. Set my camera down for now. Alright. It is snowed about mind you how long this stick is. It's probably about, I don't know. Let's show you really how much it is. It is that much snow on my roof right now. And just to let you know, that's a lot. Alright. Talk to you later. Bye. Remember, the storm 2007 has occurred December 14th, 2007. Bye.